never know which word to use for the past.
You mean mixing up was, did, and had.
Yes, I panic and just guess every single time.
Please do not panic. Today we will fix it.
I want to stop overthinking every sentence I say.
Let us look at a very common mistake first.
Okay, I am ready. What is the big mistake?
How do you ask about my breakfast yesterday?
Did you had breakfast yesterday? Is that right?
That is exactly the mistake. It is completely wrong.
But had is the past tense. Why is it wrong?
Because did is already the big boss here.
Oh, so did does all the hard work.
Yes, the second verb stays in the simple form.
So I must say, did you have breakfast?
Exactly. One past tense boss is always enough.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery, your blueprint to speaking corporate English with absolute confidence.
Master your communication, accelerate your career. Let's dive into today's lesson.
Tell me more about the did boss.
Rule number 1. Did is only for actions.
Actions? You mean like running, eating, or studying?
Exactly. We use did for any action questions.
Did you watch the big game last night?
Yes, I did. That is a perfect question.
What if I want to say no?
You just use the word didn't for actions.
I didn't watch TV last night. Is that right?
Ha, perfect. The boss didn't scares the ED away.
So I should never say I didn't went.
Never. You must simply say, I didn't go.
I completely understand the action boss now. Who is next?
Let us meet the state bosses. Their names are was and were.
Are these two new bosses used for actions as well?
No, never. They are only for descriptions, feelings, and locations.
So I use them when nobody is doing an action?
Precisely. Like saying, I was happy, or the coffee was hot.
Oh, I see. Happy and hot are just simple descriptions.
Exactly. They describe a state of being, no running or eating.
How do I say no with these two state bosses?
You just say wasn't or weren't instead. It is very simple.
So I can say, I wasn't hungry yesterday morning.
That is perfect. Or they weren't at home last night.
That sounds very natural. Should I ever use didn't with them?
Never. Please never say, I didn't was tired. That is terrible.
That sounds extremely funny. I promise to never commit that crime.
I believe you. These bosses are strong enough on their own.
We have one more boss today. What about the boss named had?
Ah, the third boss. Had is often used for owning things.
You mean like, I had a dog when I was young?
Yes, but this boss has another very special job.
Another job? Is it very complicated to learn?
Not at all. It is just for the earlier past.
The earlier past? What exactly does that mean?
Think about time travel. Two things happened in the past.
Okay, I am imagining two past events right now.
The older event always gets the boss named had.
Could you please give me a really simple example?
I had eaten breakfast before I went to work.
Let me think. The eating happened first, right?
Exactly. You ate breakfast first, then you went to work.
Ah, so the oldest action gets the had boss.
Spot on. The had boss always controls the deepest past.
I understand all three bosses now. What is next?
Now we enter the danger zone. Listen very carefully.
The danger zone? What should I avoid doing?
Never mix these three bosses in the same sentence.
You mean I should never say, Did she was happy?
Exactly. One boss per sentence. Was she happy is correct.
What about did you had a car? Is that wrong?
Very wrong. Did needs the simple verb. Say, did you have?
Okay, I will keep them in their own separate boxes.
Let us do a quick test to compare them. Ready?
I'm ready. I want to test my new grammar.
First, ask me about the past action of dancing.
Action means the did boss. Did you dance last night?
Perfect. Now ask about the description of the party.
Description means the was boss. Was the party really fun?
Boom! You used all the bosses perfectly today.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
Sentence number 1 is an action.
Did you have breakfast today?
Did you have breakfast today?
Did you have breakfast today?
Sentence number 2 is a description.
The coffee was very hot.
The coffee was very hot.
The coffee was very hot.
Sentence number 3 is the earlier past.
I had eaten before work.
I had eaten before work.
I had eaten before work.
Sentence number 4, never mix the bosses.
Was she happy at the party?
Was she happy at the party?
Was she happy at the party?
Sentence number 5 is a negative action.
I didn't watch TV last night.
I didn't watch TV last night.
I didn't watch TV last night.
Sentence number 6 is a negative state.
They weren't at home yesterday.
They weren't at home yesterday.
They weren't at home yesterday.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learnt so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead, show me your new grammar update right now.
The boss named did is only used for past actions.
Correct. And what about the bosses named was and were?
They are for descriptions, locations, and a state of being.
Perfect. And what is the special job of had?
It is for owning things or the oldest past event.
You completely mastered the 3 bosses today.
I will never mix them in the same sentence again.
Now it is time for our viewers to practice too.
Yes, we have a special challenge for you watching this.
Write 3 past tense sentences in the comments right below.
Use one action, one description, and one older past event.
We read every single comment, so show us your skills.
Hit subscribe and like the video to support our channel.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.